Hello? Do you see this hot girl over here? I'm gonna go and talk to her. Oh, hello? You don't talk so much, right? You are very black, by the way. You look very exotic. Yeah, so you don't want to respond, or do you have a boyfriend, or are you married? That's really sad. She doesn't even respond to me. Okay, it was a pleasure. Bye bye. Have a nice one. Yo, was geht up? I'm here in Warsaw in Poland, and in this video I'm gonna talk about what to do if you're talking to a girl that is not really receptive. So there are 3 reasons why a girl cannot be receptive. Number 1 is she's married, number 2 is she has a boyfriend, and number 3 is she just doesn't like your face. So, so basically what you can do when a girl is not receptive is that you have to find out if she's just testing you, if you're the guy that's taking what he wants, or if you are the guy that's just pissing off if she's just like not responding or not responsive in any ways. So what you find out, or what you want to find out, is if the girl is actually liking you or if she doesn't like you. Hello pretty girl, do you want to come on my YouTube video? There's a fine line between being creepy and being persistent. And you want to be persistent but not creepy. So you have to find out if the girl is actually giving you shit or if she likes you. So what you do is that you're just throwing bait. So you're just saying, hey, you don't really talk much. You look really Spanish, you look German, you look really Swedish with your tan and your blonde hair or something like that. And basically what you're doing is you're throwing things out that she can respond to. Sometimes girls just stay there for like 30 seconds to a minute and they just wait how you respond to the things that they're doing or actually not doing. So what you want to do is, if she's not giving you much, then you can just be like, hey, I just came here from another country and just to visit you, just because of you I came to Poland, for example, and you're not responding to me, you're just ignoring me. Or you're saying stuff like, yeah, I came here and I actually wanted to seduce you, but you're making it really hard for me. Or yeah, like I just said to this girl that I came from Germany to Poland to meet her, and now she's not giving me her phone number. So that's what you do with non-responsive girls. Just you throw the bait and look how she reacts.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes, amplified deep inside.